and welcome back to Walkin. And today I, Eddie, would like to take you guys and gals on a small walk here in Pokhara, Nepal. This is lakeside area, so let's take a gander, and then Walkin, Shivani will do the other stuff. I hope you're all doing well. This is the main strip, the main street where you find all the trekking stuff, all the souvenir shops, all the wellness spas, everything. You can see Lord Shiv with the trident and some other Lord Siddhartha Gautama, Lord Buddha, Ganesh, Jai Ganesh, Jai Mahadev, Hanumanji. It's a Sunday, late afternoon, early evening. And so the time is 6:16 p.m. and it's gonna rain. Now I know women like Shivani and her sister and others would love to be in shops like this, seeing all the pashminas and the Kashmiri shawls and all of that. So much to see, so much to buy. Even for men, you got good clothing, good t-shirts, yogi shirts, all. I'm just in a laid-back mood, so that's why I'm just speaking like Cool Hand Luke. Oh yeah. Oh, I gotta come in here, Full Moon Broderie. There are a couple of t-shirts that I want to check out in here in a few moments. I went into a shop to buy something for my grandma, and now it's starting to rain a little bit. As you can see, raindrops keep falling on my head, and then you know soon I'll be fed, whatever. A lot of coffee shops here, a lot of cafes and places where they play live music and all, and a little bit of everything. Well, it's safe to say it's raining pretty much quite a bit now. People are looking for shelter. Let's see if we can continue this walk. I love Pokhara. So relaxed, so laid back, so quiet, and yet at the same time many tourists at given times, especially during the high season, for the treks and the adventure sports and all. Many adventure sports offices here. It's like singing that song, classic American song, I love a rainy night, I love a rainy night, it feels good to feel free. It's still raining, so I'm gonna come into Little Windows to have my dinner right now. So let's check it out. Let's go inside. Little Windows is vegan and vegetarian, and they have a bar section on the last floor. Live games, movie night, billiard table, everything. So it's a pretty chill place. Got some good prices here, good stuff. And this is the second floor, and street is outside. So I got myself a barbecue wrap, mixed vegetables, hummus, grilled potato, fresh cream, and salad. 525 Nepali rupees. That's about $4 US. Well, it's still drizzling a little bit, and I don't have an umbrella, y'all. Sorry, Walkin community. I'm going to show you a little bit more of what I can, but then I gotta go home because it's dark and cold. And over there, this is the lakeside area. I mean, the lake is right over there. Normally there are a lot of people here, but it's very windy and it's raining, so everybody went home. I'm going to show you a little bit more of this area. This is the Halan choke point. I think this is, yeah, right here. And it's I like Nepal. I like Pokhara. Really, y'all should come and check it out. It's a very nice place. I hope you're enjoying what I'm showing. I'm going to show you a couple of more places here, like where they got some nice restaurants and whatnot, and then I'll hand it back over to Shivani in just a few moments to She Walking. If you're missing the taste of home, Rajwadi restaurant here, pure veg. Idli, sambar, chole bhature, pav bhaji, naan, paneer tikka, dokla. I remember I had some dokla. I had all of these. I like kofta, veg biryani. Wow. Punjabi chole. So many things. Delicious food. Nepali food, Indian food, Italian food, whatever, Israeli, everything. Namaste. Everything. Korean food, Chinese food, you name it. French, Mexican. So I hope you guys are enjoying She Walking's video with us showing these two different places. This one here in Nepal and the one Shivani's showing you at the same time. And good pizza, Godfather's Pizzeria. Oh yeah, and look at the clothing. Women, you gotta love this. Look at them purses and all. Oh, I'm gonna buy some gifts to take back home in a moment. Look, really cheap, 500 Nepali rupees, and some even for 250. I will be back in just a moment. Action. Thank you. And the last thing I'm gonna show you, they got German bakery here. So they got strudels, brownies, croissants, chocolate croissants, everything. The German bakery, because a lot of foreigners come here from Europe. Karma, yoga and wellness. And yeah, so basically that's it for now. Back to you, Shivani. She Walking community. I hope you've enjoyed this, and more to come, and we'll have more fun. More to come and fun.